Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab filament runout sensor false alarm, AMS and direct drive settings fix. Fix 1. Check for broken filament and debris. Heat the nozzle and perform a cold pull to remove any hidden debris inside the hot end. Now disconnect the PTFE tubes from the tool head and AMS or filament buffer. Manually push a piece of filament through each tube to ensure there are no blockages, kinks or rough spots. Fix 2. Clean the filament runout sensor. Open the tool head's front cover and remove the filament sensor assembly. Now use tweezers or a soft brush to remove any filament dust, plastic debris, or metal shavings from the sensor and magnet. Insert a short piece of filament to confirm the lever moves freely and spring back when the filament is removed. If it sticks, gently move the lever until it returns to its normal position. Fix 3. Inspect the sensor cable. Turn off the printer and remove the tool head cover. Now check that the filament sensor ribbon cable is fully seated on the tool headboard. Make sure the connector latch is locked and the cable shows no signs of damage. Fix 4. Check for filament tangles. Ensure the filament spool rotates smoothly without snagging. Now check that the filament is not wrapped under another loop. If you are using an AMS or AMS light, clean the feeder gears and remove any filament debris that could interfere with feeding. Fix 5. Update the printer firmware. Install the latest firmware available for your printer. Then restart the printer after the update and test the sensor again. Fix 6. Temporarily disable the filament sensor. If the sensor continues to trigger false alarms while you wait for a replacement part, you can temporarily disable it. Open settings on the printer or in the Bamboo Handy app, then turn off the filament runout sensor option. Re-enable the sensor after replacing or repairing the faulty component. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.